That Raju character in Fairer or Fairy is very funny. You know, this what Carrie did is unbelievable. Every day I wake up thinking, क्या Carrie आज मेरे को cross करेगा?
व्हाट्सअप।
हाय फारिदुन जी, कैसे हैं आप?
मैं अच्छा, आप कैसे हैं?
अरे एकदम मस्त मस्त.
फाइनली
So
आफ्टर लॉन्ग
finally
टाइम।
we are here talking to each other.
फाइनली लॉन्ग टाइम, इट हैज बीन लॉन्ग टाइम।
Finally.
Okay, and first of all, congratulations to you for 18 million subscribers on YouTube.
Thank you so much Faridun ji. Thank you so much.
All right, and आपने एक कमाल का वीडियो भी किया है, उसको आई थिंक मेरे ख्याल सेलिब्रेट करने के लिए लॉकडाउन के साइड इफेक्ट्स,
जी.
which has crossed 22 million views and it's trending on YouTube right now.
Yeah. It has been doing crazy.
Was that the idea to just celebrate 18 million with this video?
No, actually, you know what happened was, honestly, I never make videos based on कि मेरे को इतने subscribers चाहिए, इतने numbers चाहिए. And then this video turned out to be extremely relatable, and then this entire YouTube versus TikTok happened. So the channel, you know, got very garam बोलते ना आप, एकदम वो गरम हो गया.
18 million subscribers, and
Yeah.
so how does it feel, the journey that you had, phenomenal journey?
Faridun ji, it is crazy, you know, it feels like a dream, honestly. मतलब, you come from a small town and you are this engineer, a normal engineer, आप छोटे से engineer होते हो, and then one day you are this big guy with 18 million subs. It's almost, you know, always feels like a dream. It's like every day I wake up, I pinch myself कि ये कैसे हो गया?
There are many YouTubers, but I really enjoy your content. At
Thank
times,
you so
I
much,
don't
Faridun
find
ji.
certain things funny, but they become very popular. But yours is like, what we can call it, filmy sort of
Yeah, I know.
entertainment that
Thank you so
one
much.
can
Thank you.
one can relate to.
या
So
वही
talking
वही
about,
फायदुल जी, वही मतलब आइडिया रहता है ना. मैं आपको सच्ची बताऊं, यू विल रियलाइज दैट माय वीडियोस कॉमेडीज आर लाइक ओल्ड मूवीज, लाइक यू नो लाइक इन द ब्रैकेट ऑफ 2000 एंड 2000 से 2010 की मूवीज. इट हैज दैट स्लैपस्टिक ओवर द टॉप फील टू इट. So I
exactly.
think that is the reason I think I am in one of your tastes.
Right. So this particular video of lockdown side effects, there are a lot of wonderful moments in that. The moment with your father, for example, I think was
जी
hilarious.
Yeah.
But I think almost I think everyone is really freaking out on the girlfriend.
Yeah, I that has gone
जो
extremely
तू बोला,
viral everywhere.
जो तू बोला.
Not to generalize, but this has happened with me a lot of times, and sometimes I show this, like in my video, this particular character is like this. I don't make sure कि ऐसा generalize करना है.
Coming to this entire YouTube versus TikTok debate that is going on, it's like literally blazing right now. People are deleting their videos and they're resurfacing on other platforms, and
Yeah.
then I think Kerry Minati came out with this video, and that has gone like literally
Carrie has
viral.
now become a star. आपको क्या बताऊँ मैं? It's like he was at 10.9 million subs when all of this started. He's about to reach 16 million subscribers, and every day I wake up thinking क्या Carrie आज मेरे को cross करेगा? So this what Carrie did is unbelievable. I don't think this has happened with anyone in the world. And पब्लिक को ये मैटर में सर इतना ज्यादा दिलचस्पी थी ना, यूट्यूब वर्सेस टिकटॉक. दिस वेंट मैड. लाइक आई नेवर एक्सपेक्टेड. आई टॉक टू भुवन एज वेल. लाइक वी नेवर एक्सपेक्टेड कि पब्लिक में इतना मतलब इस चीज को लेके इतना इंटरेस्ट है. एंड नाउ यू कैन सी द रिस्पॉन्स. इट इज क्रेजी.
So what is your opinion? Because the TikTokers, they feel that many a times the YouTubers, they tend to take ideas from their videos.
Yeah.
And YouTubers, they apparently don't take TikTokers seriously.
Sir, my only idea, my only opinion and perspective based on this is that I am on TikTok. If I'll call out the app, I'll become a hypocrite. That is the point here. But sir, मैं ये बताना चाहता हूँ कि there are certain things on that app that are happening which I'm not really happy with. मेरा कंटेंट चोरी होता है. एंड सर वो कंटेंट, मतलब मैंने एक वीडियो बनाया था, हॉरर का वीडियो था, आखिरी सफर नाम का. एंड सर उस पर 11 मिलियन व्यूज है कुछ यूट्यूब पे. किसी ने वो वीडियो पूरा कट करके टिकटॉक पे डाला है, उसको 100 मिलियन व्यूज है. 100 टोटल आप वो सीन्स के मिला दो. सो माई 11 मिलियन व्यूज and my work created by someone who's eating my credit has 100 million views. So this particular angle I really hate. And there have been a lot of times जहाँ पे content चोरी होता है मेरा, and I've been trying to get it removed, but कुछ हो नहीं रहा है. That is the reason I had to come on TikTok. And my reply, my entire view and my entire perspective on this was because somebody called us out. मतलब सर हम तो मस्ती करते थे अगेंस्ट टिकटॉकर्स कि हम लोग उनको फन वे में टांग खींचते थे. कोई मेरे को सामने से भी मिलता था टिकटॉकर, मैं उसके साथ भी फन वे में मस्ती करता था. बट somebody came out and they called us out saying कि हम ये कर सकते हैं, हम वो कर सकते हैं. So basically सारे यूट्यूबर्स भड़क गए इसके ऊपर. And sir, this entire blast of YouTube versus TikTok happened. That is what I feel.
Right. And in this lockdown time, and I think people are not having too much of content, I think this has suddenly become a lot of content.
सर पब्लिक को लफड़ा देखना बहुत पसंद है, आपको बता रहा हूँ. पूरे देश को ऐसा लफड़ा देखने को मिल गया ना ऑनलाइन.
Right. Okay, so but do you think that there's some middle ground? Do you feel that some of the TikTokers they are original and they can be really funny and they're hugely popular?
सर अभी आप देखो यूएसए में टिकटॉक है, अमेरिका में टिकटॉक है, वहां पे सर ऐसा कंटेंट नहीं होता है, वहां पे अलग होता है. एक एमजे करके एक बंदा है सर, वो डांस करता है, बहुत क्रेजी डांस करता है, एंड मैंने उसका टैलेंट डिस्कवर किया टिकटॉक से. तो सर आप समझ सकते हो कि इफ यूज्ड राइट it can be used in a very perfect way.
Correct.
So hey sir, definitely I'll agree with you. There are creators that are good there. There are people who are trying to definitely show a challenge. सर अभी उस दिन मैंने एक वीडियो देखा, एक बंदा था अमेरिका में पेंटिंग बनाता है वो, और एक बंदी है जो चॉकलेट खा रही है, उसको 5 मिलियन लाइक्स है, और वो बंदा जो पेंटिंग बनाता है उसको 10,000 लाइक भी नहीं है. तो वो बोल रहा था ये क्या है, what the hell is this? मतलब मैं इतना मेहनत करके आर्ट बनाता हूँ, एक लड़की चॉकलेट खा के उसको 5.6 मिलियन. तो सर ये जो चीज है ना, ये थोड़ा कभी कभी ऐप का गड़बड़ लगता है. ये क्या है, मतलब why is this happening?
Right, of course. All right, and so how do you look at say you are this youngster who's having this massive following, and if we continue talking about the TikTok and the YouTuber part, which is more financially viable? Which platform is more financially viable as an influencer, according to you?
Sir, any day YouTube, because YouTube sir पूरा बड़ा platform है. आप YouTube पे, TikTok पे sir you have a limit to post like a 1 minute से ज्यादा आप नहीं post कर सकते. TikTok पे shorter brands काम कर सकते हैं definitely, but YouTube you have a longer exposure. And आप ज्यादा दिखा सकते हो, and if you want you can build in a story, and उस story पे you can do a good branding. So any day sir YouTube, I would say, honestly.
Now in your in this journey of yours, you collaborated with several film personalities.
Yes,
you went for this premiere of Avengers, and recently you hosted the trailer launch of Suryavanshi.
जी.
Has that been like a dream come true of sorts, just meeting these big stars?
Absolutely, Faridun ji. I'm a huge Akshay Kumar fan. I just love him like anything, and him knowing me only is a big thing for me. And he was the one who chose me. Like he was the one who wanted me to host that trailer launch. Him and Rohit Shetty, and this was like, this came out of nowhere. I was like, what? When did this happen? एंड एवेंजर्स वाला सर तो मतलब मैंने कभी जन्मों में नहीं सोचा था कि I would go to America and I would meet all of these stars. So definitely dream come true. Crazy.
And you interviewed them as well?
Yeah, I interviewed them as well. I've talked to Benedict Cumberbatch, Doctor Strange. I've talked to Robert Downey Jr. I have talked to Chris Hemsworth, Thor. I've also met Captain America, but I couldn't interview him. But I met him at the premiere.
Okay, so now when it comes to meeting someone like Akshay Kumar, how's the experience?
Akshay Kumar is, sir, he's like the character in his movies only. The funny, that Raju character in Fairer Affair, he's very funny. He'll crack something on you whenever he gets the chance to. Right. He'll never leave that, and that is what I love about him. Sometimes वो बोलते ना, you should never meet your idol because it may turn out to be a disappointment, or it may turn out to be like something else. But opposite happened with me. I fell in love with him more because he's like this really genuine and funny on your face person. Then he'll say it, and he doesn't have a filter while saying when he's in person, I would say. So it is crazy.
The best part about him is that he's the one who actually makes efforts to make your content interesting.
सर वो एक ही चीज बोलते हैं, आई थिंक मैंने किसी एक्टर से नहीं सुना है, वन ऑफ द बिगेस्ट स्टार्स की, कॉमेडी इज वेरी डिफिकल्ट एंड ही रियली रिस्पेक्ट्स दैट. उनको उनके लिए बहुत रिस्पेक्ट है जो लोगों को हंसाते हैं, एंड दैट इज द रीजन आई थिंक आई रियली हैव दिस ह्यूज अमाउंट ऑफ रिस्पेक्ट फॉर हिम. एंड यू ऑल्सो नो सर, कॉमेडी में आता है, ही इज वन ऑफ दोस फ्यू बिगर स्टार्स हु डज कॉमेडीज एंड इट टेक्स अ लॉट ऑफ एफर्ट टू मेक कॉमेडीज. एंड सर मैंने पहले भी एक्टर्स के साथ काम किया है, बट आई थिंक आई हैव नेवर वर्कड विद समवन हुज लाइक सेंट मी स्क्रिप्ट्स विद डायलॉग्स. सो मैंने उनको स्क्रिप्ट भेजी थी वीडियो की अपनी कि सर ऐसा ऐसा करना है, एंड आई वाज एक्सपेक्टिंग कि, सो मैंने सर 1.5 स्क्रिप्ट भेजी थी, 1.5, क्योंकि सर एक्टर्स को जब स्क्रिप्ट जाती है ना कट के 1 आती है. तो आई रोट अ लॉट ऑफ जोक्स कि ये जोक्स है, आई नो सम नहीं फिल्टर हो गए बिकॉज कुछ डबल मीनिंग होता है, कुछ यू नो डोंट क्वालिफाई अकॉर्डिंग टू व्हाट दे वांट. बट अक्षय सर से डबल हो गई थी स्क्रिप्ट. मतलब उन्होंने अंदर इतने डायलॉग भरे and he gave me ideas ki how you should direct it more even to make it funnier. He wanted to add more scenes. He wanted ki ye shoot kar do, ye shoot. He was very matlab involved in it. So that motivated me a lot.
So when in that Suryavanshi promo launch, when Ranveer Singh came a bit late and that entire moment that happened, how was it like?
That was crazy. So मैं आपको बताऊं क्या हुआ. हम लोग रुके थे and Akshay Kumar, all of a sudden, me and my team, we were standing, and Akshay Kumar was, I don't know, he was angry or he was joking. Later, I realized that he was, of course, he was so sarcastic that he was joking. So he was angry on the fact that Ranveer is late. And he told me like 3 times, is this how you treat a senior? Is this how you treat a senior? And then he's like, camera चालू कर, इसको आने दे, इससे आज माफी नहीं मंगवाई ना, तू देख मेरा नाम अक्षय कुमार ने. So we started laughing. We were like, he's joking. Then he got serious. निकाल कैमरा, निकाल. And then we started the camera, and all of that moment happened like all naturally. Like उठक बैठक कर रहा है रणवीर सिंह, and अक्षय कुमार is like, ये तू इधर से आता है, ये मीरा रोड के पीछे से आता है. Then him going in the bathroom. That was one. I couldn't stop laughing when handling the camera. I'm like, what the hell is happening?
You know, both Ajay Devgan and Akshay Kumar, they're very punctual. Even Ajay sir is damn punctual.
Yeah, they are very punctual.
Ajay sir is damn punctual.
Both of them. And Ranveer Singh. And you know how energetic and visual Ranveer Singh is. He comes in like with an energy.
Once he comes in, then फिर उसके बाद फिर कुछ नहीं होता है. उसके बाद फिर आप उस बंदे से नाराज रह ही नहीं सकते हैं किसी.
नहीं रह सकते. वो
किस करेगा, वो गले लगाएगा.
सिम्बा आया था उठक बैठक करने, ऐसा लग रहा.
Let's quickly take a few questions from your fans and see what they have to say. Sarthak is saying you, Carrie and BB should collaborate.
सार्थक डेफिनेटली आई वुड लव टू. कैरी के पास कुछ प्लान्स थे 1 साल पहले से, बीबी के पास और मेरे पास भी कुछ प्लान्स थे. अगर कुछ बहुत ही ढासू सूर्यवंशी और यूट्यूब बनता है तो हम तीनों आ जाएंगे पक्का.
That's interesting. That's a good one.
Yeah.
Okay, so any plans of working in movies? Is that something that you like?
Faridun ji, of course, I would love to work in movies. I've been getting a lot of Bollywood offers, but I'm just waiting for that one right offer. I auditioned for the movies 3. I auditioned for Student of the Year 2. Recently भी कुछ बात हो रही थी लॉकडाउन के पहले. You know, I had a lot of stuff. I had to meet a lot of people, but plans all crashed, and you know everything has gone for a toss. So yeah, है तो सही plans, sir.
A lot of people are talking about your beard is coming out.
Sir, I didn't know. So I सालों बेइज्जती करवा दी तुम लोग ने. Okay, so I don't usually grow my beard, and this time I have talked to them because they all tease me all the time, and I take it in a fun manner. I enjoy it. I take jokes on myself. I really love it. So मैं सर हमेशा clean shave रहता था. So this time I've been trying this beard in lockdown, and everybody's like, you know, laughing at it and having fun with me. So this is fun.
Okay, so Khyati is saying, so where is Jadoo and where is Kamla?
Jadoo and Kamla are both locked down in lockdown because Jadoo, despite being my best friend and Kamla being my sister, in real life are stay quite far away from me, and I haven't met them since a long time, and I'm just waiting. All I can meet them is by Zoom calls and Skype calls. That is.
Okay, so Chand is saying best YouTuber apart from you. YouTubers apart from you. Who are the best YouTubers according to you apart from you?
There are a lot of sir. Bhuvan Bam hai, Carrie Minati hai, Harsh Benewal hai, Bunic hai. I think sir, the diversity that is in India, and I think everybody is doing a kick-ass job. Jordan and
If you were to make your Bollywood debut, which actress would you want opposite you?
Alia Bhatt.
Why is that?
Because I've had a crush on her since the day she debuted, and and she's a very talented actress. And she's मतलब उन्होंने उनके ऊपर याद है बहुत सारे jokes बने थे, and then all of a sudden like she proved everyone wrong with her acting. I think she's extremely smart.
She can take a joke on herself, which is I think
impressive, very impressive. So yeah, Alia Bhatt या तो Sara Ali Khan. I would say that Sara Ali Khan. Yeah.
Okay. One thing you like about TikTok and one thing you hate about YouTube.
One thing सर ये तो आपने मतलब मेरे से कंट्रोवर्सी वाला क्वेश्चन पूछ लिया. One thing that I like about TikTok is the fact that shorter content post करने के लिए आपको वहाँ पे बहुत मतलब अच्छी exposure है. Sir, I don't hate anything about YouTube. I can't.
Okay, Carrie Minati recently trolled a TikTok star in his video. If you were to add something to that, what would it be?
I would just say कि engagement का घमंड नहीं रखो बाबू, क्योंकि अगर हम लोग engagement पे आ गए, अगर आपकी चीज हम उल्टा बोले कि हम TikTok पे आ गए तो आपको भी बहुत नुकसान हो सकता है. तो ये engagement का खेल मत करो. I think कैरी ने ये चीज पे ज्यादा स्ट्रेस आउट नहीं किया था, बट मेरे को यही चीज से सबसे ज्यादा तकलीफ थी.
ये यूट्यूबर्स गाली यूज करके लोगों को हंसाते हैं, कम से कम हम वो तो नहीं करते टिकटॉक पे. This is one of the comments which has been there on Carrie Minati's video.
सर वो इसलिए गाली यूज नहीं करते क्योंकि सर उनका वीडियो आगे जाएगा नहीं. सर उधर आप थोड़ा भी गाली दोगे ना, वो उधर वायरल होता नहीं है वीडियो, तो उनके पास कोई ऑप्शन ही नहीं है. तो सर ये जो बात कर रहे हैं ना सर, दिस हैज नो लॉजिक. कोई सर ना पैर. तो
Okay, there's one more comment on the Carrie Minati's video. आशीष भाई बस अब तुम कोई वीडियो मत बना देना, ये लोग शर्म के मारे जान दे देंगे.
मैं तो सर ये एक्चुअली दीज आर लाइक रॉन्ग यूसेज ऑफ वर्ड्स की शर्म के मारे जान दे देंगे ऑल ऑफ दैट. हम तो यहाँ पे मस्ती कर रहे थे, बट नहीं, मैं नहीं बनाऊंगा वीडियो. आई थिंक कैरी का एक ही रिप्लाई इतना काफी था कि अभी सब शांत हो गए. सो मेरा तो कोई प्लान.
Okay, so there's one more comment on that video. क्या गलत बोला उस बंदे ने? यूट्यूबर्स पैसे के पीछे नहीं भागते क्या? Hit like if you agree with me.
सर पैसे के पीछे कौन नहीं भागता? ये तो वो बात हो गई कि मतलब टिकटॉकर्स तो मतलब वो जो ये कमेंट कर रहा है वो तो मतलब एनजीओ खोल के बैठे हैं, वो तो संस्थाएं खोल के बैठे, कोई पैसा कमा ही नहीं रहे. वो दे चुके हैं दुनिया को सब. ये सर बोलने की बात होती है, पैसा सबको कमाना रहता है, पैसे के पीछे सब भागते हैं. And there is nothing wrong in running behind money, but saying this कि only YouTubers do it, why?
All right. Okay. If you get attention of all the YouTubers in India for 30 seconds, what would you say to them?
If I had the attention of all the YouTubers, I would say go into your community and post this, subscribe to Ashish Chanchlani Vines, because Carrie Minati is crossing everyone. So before he crosses me, you guys all have to tell your audience to subscribe me. That is what I would say.
Okay, if Bhuvan Bam, Bunic and you were to star in a movie, what would be the title?
Subscription नहीं जाएगी दोबारा.
Subscription नहीं जाएगी.
I don't think I came up with this like randomly. I think this would be the perfect title क्योंकि subscription नहीं जाएगी एक बार हम तीनों आ गए तो.
Okay. Which Akshay Kumar film you would love to star in a remake of?
Sir, no movie. I think remakes, no, I would say no to it because I would like to star in a new. If I would have wanted to be a part of something, I would say Ferreira Fairy, not the remake. If ever I was at that stage, I would have been a part. I would have loved to be because that movie is hilarious.
Favorite dialogue?
That particular dialogue, Akshay Kumar is like, hey चलना पानी पूरी लगाना चलना, and he's like snatching राजपाल यादव. I think सर उस पिक्चर में बहुत फनी डायलॉग है, बहुत सारे फनी डायलॉग है.
Neeraj Vora had written that.
Yeah, I know, I love him.
Okay, one thing about following YouTubers that only you know, Bhuvan Bam.
He's a very, very, very shy person in real life, and he's very intelligent. I think a lot of people don't know about this. He's बहुत smart है वो.
Carrie Minati.
Carrie, one thing people don't know about Carrie Minati is like I don't think Carrie is that one person who he is. Like मेरे को नहीं लगता अभी तक I have discovered anything that people don't know about Carrie.
Okay, Bionic.
Bionic, the one thing that people don't know about Bionic is that he's a crazy good businessman, and that guy has struggled a lot. That I think that particular part of his life is not there out there that much. The struggle he has done.
Okay, Amit Badana.
That one thing about Amit is the amount of knowledge he has in real life, and the person he is in videos are like two distinct personalities. Like he's a very knowledgeable person, and the way he speaks, and the way he has been portrayed in his videos, I think are two different things. So yeah.
Okay, Mumbaikar Nikhil.
Mumbaikar Nikhil gets really tired sometimes after vlogging, and I think that really, of course, the public ko dikhta nahi hai because he's all the time vlogging, and all the time he's carrying a camera. So he also gets tired. I think that is that one thing people don't know. He gets tired a lot.
Okay, out of all the Bollywood celebs you have collaborated with so far, with whom you've had a great fun?
Sir, it would be a clash between Akshay Kumar and Shahid Kapoor. Because Akshay Kumar sir mere guru the, and I met him. That was like fascinating. But Shahid Kapoor made my video like it's like a kid who came like, I am going to rock in this video. So Shahid Kapoor made that happen. He was so excited to be a part of that video. And thanks to him, that video has like over 100 million views. Facebook or YouTube mila ke.
Right. No, I think Shahid has that quality.
Yeah.
Okay, which film genre you think you can never adapt to?
Extremely melodramatic romance drama.
Mm.
I think extremely melodramatic romance. Yeah. I can never go in that. No.
All right. Quick replies in one word, please. Most favorite Bollywood actor?
Akshay Kumar.
First celebrity crush?
Sonali Bendre.
Sonali Bendre. That's interesting.
Yeah.
Okay. A film you can watch over and over again?
Hera Fairy.
An actor you're dying to collaborate with?
Shah Rukh Khan.
All right. Okay. One word to describe your journey so far?
Dreamy.
Dreamy. Okay.
Dreamy.
Yes or no? Yes or no following statements. क्या आपने कभी किसी ट्रोलर को इनबॉक्स में गालियां दी हैं?
बहुत पहले yes.
क्या आपका कभी किसी यूट्यूबर से झगड़ा हुआ है?
Yes. बहुत पहले yes.
क्या आप अपने किसी वीडियो की वजह से मुसीबत में पड़े हैं?
Yes.
Okay, that is quite a lot of yeses and honest.
Yes, you did not expect.
Okay, so Ashish, lovely talking to you. Thank you so much for your time.
बहुत मजा आया, बहुत मजा आया.
Right, and would love to meet you in person whenever this lockdown ends.
Done, sir. हमारा plan भी था.
Yes, it was. We will for sure.
Definitely. Thank you.
All the best. Thank you so much.